Kuo. And our next speaker will be Slayer. And Slayer works at geothinks.tw. And as you know, Taiwan is a place with lots of disasters, typhoon, earthquake, you name it. And they try to bring ICT into resilience and making things happen better after disaster. So let's welcome Slayer.
Thanks. Hi, I'm Kuo-Yu. You can call me Slayer. Slayer for humanitarian response, like this. So we are thinking about to deliver an ICT tool as a tool to help something about the humanitarian response. So we would like to start from a tragedy that happened last year in Kaohsiung. That's a propane explosion in downtown. That's really sad, and but fortunately that's happened in mainline. So we have a GovZero, a lot of volunteers to collect the information from the media, from the BBS, and from even YouTube and so on. So that becomes a lot of open data that represents that about to describe the disaster. And we are thinking about those information, those knowledge need to be open and then can be collaborated. And we need to deliver those information to the user. So who will be our user? Geothink, our team is thinking about, okay, the responder and the volunteer in NGO, that would be our user. So we need to deliver those information to the user. So that take a look at this example about after the explosion and there's a heavy rain in Kaohsiung. So people need the sandbag to stop the flooding because the explosion damaged the sewer system. So is there any information that we can acquire the update information about the sandbags? So we search from the internet and search about the government website. We find the PDF file. Hooray, that's very good. So PDF file, we will need to translate that into the Excel, and we further need to make a phone call to confirm if those number of sandbags is correct. And then we can leverage that in the GIS system along with the rainfall meters and the number of sandbags, so the responder, they can know if they need to go to help if the rain keep going and the sandbag is not enough. And then this system also supports the NGOs to dispatch the task according to the crowdsourced information. If somebody say, I need help, and then you can easily dispatch those information to the volunteer in the ground. And the more beautiful part will be, we use SMS, of course, that's one of the standard, open standard to from OGC, and that can bring the OpenStreetMap to the mobile phone. So now we are thinking about those kinds of crowdsourced tools for volunteer can really help during the disaster. They can collect data, they can geotag the information. So we are thinking that if people use these kinds of tools, some of the government agencies will say that there will be a lot of unreliable information flowing around. So can we solve that kind of question? Maybe not, because we are thinking about crowdsourced information has its risk, but it has a feature of real time. So we categorize the information into government announcement and the activities from NGOs, the responder, and the crowdsourced information. With these kinds of categorized, that will be easier for us to get the information from the public and also from the NGO, because we're trying to deliver the tool for the NGO and for the responder. So what we are trying to achieve is the coordination and the harmonization between government agencies and the NGOs and the volunteers. And we are trying to harmonize the resource, like the volunteers and the staffs. And the more important part is we need to make it open so we can collaborate, so we can really make it good use and deliver that to the user that we target to. So we are also connected with a humanitarian data exchange. This website was operated by UN OCHA. Office for the Humanitarian Coordination. So that will be a portal that we can connect our open data to the international portal. So the reason why we would like to do something like this is GeoThing is a social enterprise that's in the middle of private enterprise and the NPO. So we can talk a lot more about that. But we are just trying a bunch of geeks and trying to make the ICT to be a helpful tool for humanitarian response. Thanks.